I'm Helen. I'm a Chinese university student at school. MOSTRO has two main businesses. The first one is household market. For last 20 years, working as agent with an interior factory which has over 15 years history. MOSTRO is responsible for this interior customer in China to supply household goods. The second business is to supply equipment to overseas market, mainly at the cookware machine and the glass lid machine. The market is in India, Bangladesh, Egypt, Iran, Africa, Southeast Asia, and South American section. I love this internship opportunity. Realize this job is not easy at all, but I'm working hardly to participate in more exercises. I like to share you with my vlog. I wanna make more friends around the world.